All right, doing a water session. Things are coming along well, growing. I think I'm gonna cut a batch out of these right here this evening, sort of thin them out so I can get some regrowth going. This is the one over here that I was nursing back to health, and looked like it's doing pretty good. So I got some more topsoil to take this soil out and replant it, re-put it in the bed rather. So that's gonna be coming soon. But like I say, that plant is growing pretty well. And it was almost dead when I first started trying to get some health back to it. But these right here, man, they're growing pretty good. And over here, these three right here, I had cut them all out so they can regrow from the center and look like they're coming back. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put some fresh topsoil, garden soil in these planters right here also. And these are doing fairly well. I had a caterpillar problem, so I think I done smashed enough of them. And that's my bell pepper. So you can see I got another one going on right there. And I got two big ones under there. I don't know if you can see it up in there. One down there and one underneath there. And this is my tomato plant. Got some growing up in there. All down in there. So close up. But this growing well. And over here is my okra. Got a bloom going up in there. I don't know if you can see it. But like I said, just giving them some midday watering so they don't dry out. That's the tomato. That one right there is almost ripe. And there's a bunch right there. And like I say, this thing is growing. It's almost 6 foot tall. But yeah, this right here is a starter garden, or plants for my garden. And we're gonna work it out.